Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. We're back on the garden house build, and today's job is to install the battening for the plasterboard. So we are basically fixing these 3x2s to the wall, and then they will be insulated in between. Plasterboard will go on top of that, and as you can see, we're just drilling holes through wall plugs, screwing them into the walls, and we're also screwing the top part to the wall plate as well. So that's the job for today. Also, we're going to try and get that last little strip of fiberglass that we didn't get done yesterday at the back of the roof, get that done today as well, and then the roof will be 100% watertight. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you at the end. Cheers, bye. hi guys, this is us for the end of the day. We've managed to get the battens fitted. 1 or 2 left to do, we just ran out, but we'll be finishing that off tomorrow. We also got the roof completely fiberglass today, the last little bit that we had left over at the back, that's done. And tomorrow we will start insulating and getting some windows in. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we see you back here tomorrow. Take care.